In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide users on how to share posts outside Reddit. Sharing content from Reddit to other platforms is a simple process, but if your audience is new to Reddit, it can be really helpful to walk them through each step clearly. In this script, I'll show you exactly how to explain it in a way that's easy to understand and easy to follow. First, start by letting your users know that they should open Reddit and navigate to the specific post they want to share. This could be a funny meme, a helpful answer, a news article, or anything else they find interesting. Once they have the post open on their screen, they're ready to begin the sharing process. Next, explain that underneath the post, they'll see a row of options. Among these options is a small share icon. On most devices, this looks like an arrow pointing outward, or a symbol commonly used for sharing across apps. Ask them to look directly below the post title or the main image or text, and tap or click on that share icon. When they tap the share icon, a small menu or pop-up will appear with several ways to share the post. To keep things simple and universal across platforms, guide them to choose the option labeled Copy Link. By selecting Copy Link, Reddit will automatically copy the direct URL of that post to their device's clipboard. You can reassure them that they won't see anything obvious happen on the screen, but the link is now stored and ready to be pasted. Now explain what to do with that copied link. Tell your users to open the app or website where they want to share the post. This could be a messaging app, an email, a social media platform, or even a document. Once they're in the place where they want to post the link, they simply tap or click into the text field, hold down if they're on mobile, and select paste. On a computer, they can use the standard paste shortcut. Finally, remind them that they can add their own message or context around the link before sending or posting it. This helps others understand what the link is about and why it's worth clicking. And that's it. Tap the share icon, copy the link, and paste it anywhere they want outside